समाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मदे सर्वकारी
लाइन गवर्नर प्लीज ज्वाइन प्रमाद जी।
बहुत जरूरी होती है शिक्षा, सारे अवगुण धोती शिक्षा, चाहे जितना पढ़ ले हम पर कभी ना पूरी होती शिक्षा। शिक्षा पाकर ही बनते हैं नेता अफसर।
Can I have Varun on stage please? And guys, don't you stop, and can we have a round of applause and some music? Thank you so much.
अरे फेस पे लाइट दो।
Varun, something for her. Yes, Varun, I'm sure you're used to it. आपकी hearing तो ठीक है, इतना ये सब चिल्ला चोट के बीच।
ठीक है. Hi girls, how are you? I have to say that it's always special to receive an award from Lions, and the first award I actually got was from these guys, and it's been a very special year. It's all thanks to you guys, because you guys went out there and watched my films and gave me so much love, and I promise to work even harder this year and make you all proud. So thank you guys. Thank you, I love you too.
Can we also ask Mr. Ashok Thakral and PDG Krishank Rewar to come on stage and join Varun? क्योंकि ये अगला अवार्ड जो है वो है for Lions Outdoor Media Partner Award, and there's only one man who I know, Mr. Yogesh Lakhani for Bright Outdoor Media. देश भर में 80 से 90% या उससे भी ज्यादा होर्डिंग्स, बिलबोर्ड्स पे आपको ब्राइट एडवर्टाइजिंग का नाम देखने को मिलता है, and he's the man behind it. ये स्टार्स को, कलाकारों को ऊपर पहुंचाते हैं, sort of.
दर्शकों के लिए चंद शब्द प्लीज कहिए आपके सब प्रशंसक।
हाँ योगेश भाई, हो जाए।
अरुण जी की पहली पिक्चर, शाहरुख भाई, सलमान भाई, ऋतिक भाई, सबकी पहली पिक्चर मैंने की है, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि
बस आखिरी पिक्चर मत करना।
अभी तो 100 पूरी करनी है आपकी। थैंक यू
योगेश भाई, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, ऐसे ही लोगों को ब्राइट करते हैं। वरुण, नाउ दैट यू हियर, मैं क्या एक बार वो रैप हो जाए यार।
रैप के पहले actually I want to say there's a very special person sitting in the audience who wrote मैं तेरा हीरो, and he's writing two other films for me. His name is Tushar Hinanandani, and one thing which I think everyone should know, that the reason that we actors get to come up and stand on stage, we look so good, is because of the people behind the camera, and very often we don't thank them as much. I just want to take this opportunity to thank you, Tushar. Thanks for writing all this for me, and please continue keeping me in mind when you write these lines.
सैटरडे कर दे भाई प्लीज।
मैंने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी सुने आज मैं जब रेलवे स्टेशन गया था। ये बहुत अच्छी मिमिक्री करता है।
हाँ, तो रेलवे स्टेशन गया था, मैं कूली भी था वहीं पे उसी पर।
एक मिमिक्री हो जाए।
ओ तेरी यार, मैं तेरे से इतनी देर से रैप करने के लिए कह रहा हूँ, तू कर नहीं रहा। अरे पी के आया क्या? पी के, हाँ। Ladies and gentlemen, Varun Dhawan! Come on girls, make some noise again! अच्छा, चारों पे बोलना। My man, Abhishek Bachchan! Ladies and gentlemen, Abhishek Bachchan, come on, I don't want you to stop clapping here. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Mr. Bachchan, sir, for the last few months, all I've been doing in my sleep is also this. Give it to me, sir. Give this to me. Can we have a Thai fight? Ladies and gentlemen, not only the best actor, but also the owner of the winner of the first ever Star Sports Pro Kabaddi, the Jaipur Pink Panthers. And of course, this man was there every time his team played. And so, there's one thing that I noticed, that every time आपकी team जीतती थी या हारती थी, you were always there and you'd always go to all the four corners and take all the love that you could. What was the secret behind that?
First of all, why Mantra's calling me sir, I don't know. You mere co-star reh chuke hain, but good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for this wonderful honor. Receiving it here at the Bhaidas is actually very, very special, because this is the very stage where I made my first ever stage performance, and the first time I ever acted for an audience was on this very stage. Unfortunately, it was in the back. I was playing a daisy flower in second standard when I was in Jamnabai. तो मुझे पीछे खड़ा करके they made me a daisy flower, but to win an award on the stage where it all started is fantastic. So thank you to all the Lions members for this. It's really an honor. This award would not be possible without the love, guidance, maternity of this very beautiful lady sitting in the front row, Farah Khan. Farah, thank you for allowing me to be on this stage where I started my acting career as a 7-year-old, and today at 38 to stand here winning an award for your film is very special. I'd like to share this with obviously the entire star cast, starting with the great and wonderful Shah Rukh Khan, without whose help Nandu Bhide would have never become who he became. Sonu, Baman, Deepika, Sonu and my favorite Jagu Dada, who have all helped me do all the mad things that I did. For all the children out there, don't follow Nandu Bhide, he's not a good example. Ek character hi tha, but thank you very much, it really means the world to me, and especially to receive it in front of Farah is fantastic, and to get it from my main man Mantra is a lot of fun. So thank you. Thank you.
Kisses. All right, girls, you can still do that. Sir, ये ऐसी शाम, of course, हमारी जिंदगी में पहली बार आई है, जहाँ पर आप जैसे एक लेजेंड के साथ मंच शेयर करने का मौका मिला. But इस शाम का आपकी जिंदगी में क्या महत्व रहा? Lifetime Achievement Award, sir.
I can only say thank you very much. I'm very, very glad to be here, because Lions have always done a lot of service to the society and always raised funds for the benefit of many noble causes. My congratulations to the Lions International, who are doing such selfless service, and especially Raju Mavani, who has been the backbone of the whole show. वैसे मेरे दोस्त ने आप लोगों को बताया कि मैं कितना शरीफ आदमी हूँ, और उसलिए वो अवार्ड के चक्कर में देख रहा था कि कई पिक्चरों के नाम भी मुझे याद नहीं कौन कौन सी फिल्मों में मैंने काम किया. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
It's very beautiful, and we people from the film industry or for any form of entertainment industry, we are always there for the benefit of any needy work. We are always there together. We always unite together and raise funds for and help such organizations to be good and to raise funds for the underprivileged people. Thank you so much, everything. और जाते हुए मैं सिर्फ एक ही बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि life is a challenge, face it, और याद रखिए कि बुझ जाए शमा तो जल सकती है, कश्ती हदे तूफान से गुजर सकती है. अरे मायूस ना होना, इरादे ना बदलना, तकदीर किसी वक्त भी बदल सकती है.
क्या बात है, जोरदार तालियां दोस्तों. millions and millions of awards. But how special is this?
Good evening, everybody. Indeed, this award is very special. And it's special because it was a dream of mine for many years to do something unique which had never been done before, for honoring our global Indians from different fields. And believe me, it was a very difficult task because we had people from the USA, from UK, from Dubai, from Singapore, from different parts of the world coming and receiving it. And they really were the top achievers because we had an amazing jury who selected them. It wasn't us. Anil was the backbone. He really was the man who helped support my dream come true. And I think I was very proud of the award function we did. And with all of your support, we'll do it year after year and honor amazing Indians from all over the world. Thank you, Lions, for honoring our effort and encouraging us. Thank you so much. And most of all, congratulations, Lions, all of you who worked through the year to make this award happen and encourage global education for people and all the good work you all do. Thank you.
They're just not doing it because they're with their girlfriends and wives right now. Inside they're going, Lisa, what fantastic work. But not only Queen, but also Shawkeen's. I mean, which one was your pick of the year?
Oh gosh, I can't pick one. Be not very diplomatic on stage. I guess Queen is the film of the night right now for me, obviously. This is my first film award, by the way.
Oh, give it up, everybody. Lisa, we've had a request that you give your thank you speech in Hindi. Please say something.
Can I give him French? Why is French so much easier? Thank you, Lions Club, for this award. It's being pinned right now by a few things. Can you help me? Thank you so much for this award. This is my first film award, so I feel very excited, privileged, and honored to take this home with me. I was thinking about it tonight. I have to thank all of the Vijay Lakshmis that I have in my life, all the amazing women, single mothers that I know that live life with far more abandon and freedom than I do when they probably have less reason to. So thank you for influencing me and for teaching me. And thank you, Lions, again for this award. It's the biggest award I've ever had.
It's quite heavy.
Solid. It's solid. It's not going to break.
आखिरी में जी बोल दो शुक्रिया बोल दो खुश हो जाएंगे सर.
Stop it.
Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, मेरी प्रिय सुंदरी Lisa Hayden. Thank you so much, Lisa. Kiku Sharda. Ladies and gentlemen, like I said, male female में confusion था, लेकिन और कुछ कहो ना कहो, यारों का यार कीकू शारदा. कीकू सर, अब कैसा लगता है सर दो छोटियों के साथ हर वक्त आप जब लोगों को हंसाते? Do people, because you are a veteran. Ladies and gentlemen, for all the people who've seen Kiku sir's work over the years, Palak is just a feather on this hat. Kiku sir, your views.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thanks मंत्रा. पहले तो इतना भी कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं थी क्योंकि पलक के अलावा और भी कैरेक्टर्स मैंने उसी शो में किए हैं. लच्छा है
बिल्कुल, और
पंखुड़ी, और लेटली अगर लास्ट एपिसोड कैच किया है तो अब ये बिट्टू शर्मा की एक नानी आई हैं जो लंदन में रहती है, जिसका ज्यादातर लेडीज कैरेक्टर्स हैं, विमेन कैरेक्टर्स हैं. लेकिन आई गेस मैं इंजॉय इतना करता हूँ अपने आप को. अगर आप शो देखें या फिर आपकी शो की शूट को भी अगर आकर देखें तो आपको ये दिखाई देगा कि सब लोगों में दोस्ती इतनी है, मजा इतना है. बाय एंड लार्ज, वेरी फ्रैंकली मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि स्टेज पे चढ़ने के बाद हम क्या करते हैं, जो मस्ती में गुजर जाता है वक्त. वी रियली, देयर इज नो एफर्ट. You never think that you're going to a shoot, you got to learn lines, you got to go on stage, you got to do something. You never think of those things. You basically, I leave my house thinking that I'm going to have a gala time at shoot. And this is all thanks to the entire team of Comedy Nights with Kapil, starting with Kapil Sharma, who is one of the best talents of this country. And the man is a one-man army. I really would like to से दैट टुडे मुझे मौका मिला है, तो मैं प्लीज मतलब कपिल शर्मा इतने कमाल के कलाकार हैं कि सबको साथ में लेकर चलना, इतनी अच्छी टीम को, एंड ऑब्वियसली द राइटर्स, द एंटायर टीम ऑफ कॉमेडी नाइट्स विद कपिल इज फैंटास्टिक, एंड वेल आई एम thoroughly enjoying doing what I am doing. I hope and I believe that you all are enjoying watching what you all are watching. और बस एक और चीज आपसे कहना चाहूंगा,
I'd like to call upon stage Mr. Sundar Nath and Shilpi Sharma. How many times you might have watched your own film by now? एक एक सीन का एडिट आपको अलग-अलग याद होगा. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Oman Kumar, to call him a debutant director itself, I don't even need to crack a joke here because you've been in the industry for the longest period of time. It took a long time to come and direct your first.
I never thought that I would direct. आया था acting करने के लिए, बन गया art director. But the journey was fantastic, and I have to thank a lot of people for this. Basically, the first of all is Sanjay Leela Bansali, who trusted me with this one, a complete novice. I've never assisted anyone, but he trusted me just because I've done his films, but he knew that I could make a film. I don't know how, but I could. Priyanka Chopra for doing and being my Maricom. Saivin, who's written a fabulous script, and Darshan, my co-actors, everyone worked very hard to, I mean, whatever you've seen looks real because they acted really. My wife, finally, who was the backbone of the film, and for me to get a debutant, no, it is debutant in this field, so it feels very proud. I mean, this is my first award as a debutant award, so thank you Lions Club. And as a film, I've got other awards. Priyanka's got award, but debutant award, I mean, बहुत मुझे मालूम नहीं था मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, but this is fabulous. Thank you.
Sushant Singh from Southern India. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Sushant Singh.
काफ़ी खुश हूँ. आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. गुड इवनिंग. और एक बड़े कमाल की बात यह है कि अभी जिनके हाथों से मुझे अवार्ड मिला है, एमी, तो एमी की बेटी और मेरी बेटी काफ़ी अच्छी दोस्त हैं, एक ही क्लास में पढ़ती हैं, एक ही स्कूल में. सो दैट वाज क्वाइट अ प्लेजेंट सरप्राइज. एंड मैं हमेशा डराता ही नहीं हूँ भाई. मतलब मेरी ख्याति कहिए इसको या कुख्यात हो गया हूँ कि मैं अभी बैठा हुआ तो मेरे बगल में आकर जो बैठे वो क्रिमिनोलॉजिस्ट निकले. जी, नंबर भी एक्सचेंज हो गए हैं. उन्होंने कहा आप मिलिए मुझसे, काफ़ी कुछ बताना है आपको.
सॉरी टू बट यू इन सर, आपने अपने केसेस के जरिए टेलीविजन पे सावधान इंडिया के जरिए बहुत सारे ऐसे मुद्दों को बड़े करीबी तरीके से देखा, जिससे मेरे ख्याल से हमारे समाज की एक अलग छवि आपके सामने आई हो. कुछ उस पर आप टिप्पणी करना चाहेंगे? व्हाट ऑल यू सीन?
ये सवाल पूछा जाता है मुझसे मंत्रा पर. विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू माय होम स्टेट, मैं उत्तर प्रदेश का हूं भाई, तो समाज की कोई ऐसी नई छवि सामने नहीं आई मेरे इस प्रोग्राम के जरिए. हमारे यहाँ काफ़ी कुछ होता रहा है और मेरा परिवार खुद कई मामलों में भुगतभोगी रहा है. तो फॉर मी इट्स वेरी पर्सनल. इट्स नॉट जस्ट एंकरिंग, it's not just a show, it's not just a story, it's not just an incident. Maybe शायद कहीं किसी एपिसोड में कही गई एक बात, एक सीख, शायद कहीं किसी कोने में किसी एक की जिंदगी बचा सकती है. मेरे लिए सिर्फ वही एक फीलिंग है. एंड we hope we keep succeeding. much, and thank you so much again. Thank you.
भाई साहब, congratulations from my side too. Any mantra for success? क्योंकि आज तो हर कोई entrepreneur बनना चाहता है. Nobody wants to go into long-term service. एक मंत्र.
There is only one mantra. Keep on dreaming. And when you wake up in the morning, just उसको success करने के लिए do the best जो आप कर सकते हैं.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. The Lions' favorite newcomer male. Give it up for Tiger Shroff! Control yourself, girls. We are at an award ceremony, please. Tiger, this is it. The Lions Club for the Tiger. ये तो एसोसिएशन लायन टाइगर का लगता है बचपन से ही रहा है. Here we go.
सबसे पहले थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा आप सबसे. Thank you very much for all your support. Thank you Lions Club. Thank you so much. I'd like to dedicate this award to Sajid sir, Sabir sir, and the rest of the cast and crew of Heropandi. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Tiger. Tiger, now that you're here, and girls, can I hear you? भाई साहब, मैंने आपको नहीं कहा था. चलो कोई बात नहीं सर. मर्दों की तरफ से भी आ रही है सीटियां आपके लिए. That's a magic. हो जाए, girls, हो जाए. Can we have the music, please? Congratulations, Kalash. Well, you made Bachchan Sahab down. Anything for the Lions?
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank my parents and my sister, and also Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji, Bhushan Kumar sir, Nitin Gupta sir, Nitesh sir, Mikka Paji, Kumar Paji, Meet brothers, and thank you so much, Raju uncle and Lions Club. Thank you so much.
Lions' favorite producer, television, the man himself, Ashutosh Gowariker. Ashutosh, first of all, thank you for venturing into television. I mean, for people like you who've made legendary stuff, to come to television, and of course television is close to you too, sir. You've been associated with it for years. But what made you come back again?
It's a very big pleasure to be here back on this stage, the Lions Gold Awards. Well, to answer your question, I had a story which I thought would suit very well to the format of television. And I always wanted to do something for TV, but never got the opportunity to do that because I was busy making movies. And when this story came about Anjali Singh Rawat, who wants to fulfill her father's dream, I thought, why not make this into a episodic narration? And that's how I ventured into TV, and I'm very glad I did. It's been a great experience. My collaborator Star Plus has been very good with us, with the show. And I'm very, very happy to be having such a strong cast and crew that ventured on such an adventurous journey all the way to Dokrani Glacier and to the Everest Base Camp. And today, I also want to invite on stage my two directors, Glenn Barreto and Ankush Mola. So I'd like to share this award with them because a producer is nothing without his directors. And all the lions and lionesses here, Mr. Raju Banwani, thank you so much for being so generous and so honoring in his approach towards the entire film fraternity and the television fraternity. Thank you for this, we are very humbled with this honor. And I must say that the award has grown, and I wish you all the very best for this to become much bigger and move into a stadium next time. Thank you, good evening.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, Ashu sir ने mic पकड़ा है, कुछ बोल दो sir.
No, I would really like to thank Ashu for this great opportunity which he gave us, and he entrusted us with something which was so close to him. And he gave us the opportunity to direct Everest, which was extremely tough, but very, very fulfilling. And it was a great journey, and I miss it. Now I miss being on the sets of Everest, miss my cast, my crew, everybody. And I really thank that you all appreciated the effort that we all put in. And it's a great honor. Thank you.
Congratulations, Shanta. Thank you so much, gentlemen, and you look gorgeous. Very beautiful. Once again, thank you so much, gentlemen. Words of wisdom from the gorgeous girl.
I have been coming on the stage since I was a kid for my school plays. No. I did take part as a main lead on my plays and in college functions. So I think the stage is very lucky for me. And I'm glad I won this award. It's my first award as an actor, my first show as an actor. So receiving this, I feel really nervous actually, I don't know why. But yes, I would like to thank Ankush sir and Glenn sir, our directors, and Ashu sir for seeing Anjali and me. And the whole of AGPPL, they took such good care of us. So yeah, thanks to all of them. And thanks to Lions Club for giving this honor to me. Thank you.
Sahil Salatia and Rohan Gandotra.
I'm very nervous right now, so I don't know where to start from, but thank you so much, Lions Gold Awards. You've been very, very kind, and it's such an honor. And I would like to thank Mr. Ashutosh Gawarkar, of course, for believing in me, my directors, Glenn sir, Ankush sir, and of course my family, because they'll beat me if I don't take that in right now. So yes, my mom, dad, my sister, and of course, last but not the least, the one up there, Almighty, yes. So thank you, and I'll see you on your TV screen.
Good evening everyone, ladies and gentlemen. So first of all, what a fantastic start to a new year. Like, this is my first award for Everest, and I think school ke baad mere khayal se abhi award mila mujhe. So I would say, yeah, so I would really like to thank Mr. Ashutosh Gawarkar sir for giving me such an opportunity to start my career with Glenn sir, Ankush sir, my directors. जो मैं पहले था और जब मैं आज हूँ, I think उसमें ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. So I think, yeah, my family, my friends, my fans, love you all. Thank you everyone.
Thank you guys. Lions' favorite actor critics. हुड्डा साहब जो है, हुड्डा साहब ने केवल फिल्मों में कमाल नहीं करा है, इनको कभी घोड़े के ऊपर देखना, हमारे लिए मेडल जीत के लाया है. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, he is a professional horse rider himself, and you represented India, in fact. Isn't it? Is that true?
No, I haven't represented India yet, but I think next Asian Games I will. I'd like to thank Lions Club. A few years ago, when I thought that I should pack up my bags and go home, Lions gave me my first award for Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. It was very encouraging, and it's very encouraging again. This means a lot to me. Thank you very much.
Hi, Ijaz bhai, how are you today? And congratulations on the award.
Very good, Mantra. Thank you very much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, this really feels good, huh? So, when I signed this show about a year back, I didn't really know what I was signing up for. It has been one of my most challenging roles. And, of course, everyone loves it when their hard work pays off. So, this is my first installment in that. Thank you very much, Lions Club, for this honor. यहाँ आप लोगों के साथ बैठ के one feels very honored to be here. So this has to it.
बीपी यू, मेल यू, ट्वीट यू, स्काइप यू, और अगर तूने फिर भी
Thank you so much. Wonderful, sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Tushar. Thank you, sir.
बेस्ट वाइफ होती है ना, उसके बाद भी फर्ज होते हैं.
कैसे?
जैसे अगर आपका हस्बैंड ऑफिस जा रहा हो और उसकी इंपॉर्टेंट मीटिंग हो तो उसे गुड लक किस तो देना पड़ता है.
यार कमाल होगी. पहले तो रूबी थैंक यू यार. इट्स अ एनिवर्सरी टुडे और मेरी वजह से बेचारी रुक गई यहाँ पे क्योंकि उसे अवार्ड देना था. शी इज अ वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड. थैंक यू रूबी, थैंक यू एंड हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी. हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you, Lion Gold Awards, for giving me this honor. I look different. पहले clean shaven था, बाल थोड़े बड़े थे, अभी दाढ़ी आ गई और बाल कट गए. मंत्रा यार कमाल हो गया ना. Saraswati Chandru has been a very, very lucky show for me. Really happy to receive this. I'll not take much of your time. Thank you, thank you, thank you everyone. God bless you all. Bye. Mantra.
There we go. Happy people. That's Parul giving away the award to Mr. Rajni Acharya. Congratulations, sir. Thank you, Parul. Moving forward, we have Lions Excellence in Security Services. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. How are you doing there? Boys, can we have some noise here? And again, more than the boys, the girls making some noise.
The boys don't make any sounds in this city, I've realized. It's always the girls, right? Girls make a lot of noise. Oh, boys की बेइज्जती तो यहाँ से आवाज आई.
So of course, Priyanka, you've been इनकी हिम्मत कैसे होगी इन लड़कों की जब से तुम्हें देखा मैरिको में मुक्केबाजी करते हुए. And of course, you've been a great inspiration to not only a lot of girls here, but boys are crazy about you. Maricom has done wonders for you, but internationally, Priyanka Chopra, you've done us proud. Let me just tell you, you've done us proud. And every time we listen to your tracks, you've been doing great. So what's up? Taking India to the next level altogether?
No, I think I'm just trying to take myself to another level and hopefully not have the pressure of taking a nation with me. But if I can just take a moment, Mansa, to just say, can you take that? Thanks. I want to say thank you, everyone. Lions Club especially. Raju Manwani, who is one of my dad's closest friends, for always being such a huge support to my family. This award is a huge testament to me because it feels like somebody from your own family is acknowledging your work. And of course, it was one of the hardest films I've ever done. But सबसे ज़्यादा, I think मैं Lions Club को इसलिए thank you बोलना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने हमेशा मेरी family को उस तरह की इज्जत दी जो शायद मैं खुद देती. So thank you so much for this award, and it's for my dad. Thank you.
So Muraka, could I also have you on stage, please? And oh, right there. And of course, the gorgeous lady behind this gorgeous girl. Can I have Mrs. Chopra on stage, please? Priyanka, would you like to, please? Ladies and gentlemen, Madhu Chopra, Priyanka Chopra on stage. Two very beautiful ladies. This is where the beauty comes from. For all those people who've been appreciating Priyanka for all these years. And now that we have 4 presenters on stage, we're going to move on towards the next category. Yes, of course. This is the Lions Dr. Ashok Chopra Debutant Award. Could you go ahead, sir?
Actually, I don't want to discuss in front of Priyanka and Madhu Bhavi this, but fortunately you are here and coincidentally you are here. Lion Dr. Ashok Chopra, the heart of Lions Club of Soul, Mumbai. We really miss him a lot. And no doubt from the last 3 years, this awards, we are dedicated to him, Priyanka. And whenever we are having the picnic of Lions Club of Soul, Mumbai, we have 2 nights. One is the totally orchestra music, old songs, beautiful songs. And that night has been always dedicated to Dr. Ashok Chopra. And friends, in our old age home at Karjat, the completely medical center, we have kept the name of Lion Dr. Ashok Chopra. And believe me, what Priyanka, Siddharth, Madhu Bhavi, what they done for the Lions Club of Soul Mumbai, there's no words about this. And this is the first time Lion Dr. Ashok Chopra Debutant Actor Award. See the what a coincidence is going to our Manara Handa, जो डॉक्टर अशोक चोपड़ा जी की बहन की लड़की हैं, we know as a Bobby. So may I request Bobby to kindly please come up on the stage.
Congratulations, Manora. And of course, the award. There it is.
Because this is a Lion Dr. Ashok Chopra Award, so I would like to request our chairman, Lion Anil Murarka, to kindly please. We both should give it to Manara. Please, Manara.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much, Bobby, Anara. Thank you so much. And of course, we should not allow Madhu Bhavi to go down because again, fortunately, she's here, and I believe that the next award is.
That's absolutely right, ladies and gentlemen. There is an award for Mrs. Chopra too, and can I quickly get the award on, please? This is the next set of awards going out to Madhu Chopra ji. This is Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Lions' favorite. This is Lions' favorite dynamic entrepreneur award, which is going to, this is Madhu Chopra with Priyanka on stage, all the Lions on stage. This is a historic moment, a moment which will be well appreciated. Ladies and gentlemen, this deserves a round of applause once again for the gorgeous ladies, and not only for the beauty. Sir,
I really wanted Madhu Bhabhi has to say a few words about this.
Good evening, नमस्कार. ये अवार्ड मुझे तो दिया है राजू ने लायंस क्लब की तरफ से, पर मुझे पता है कि ये अवार्ड असल में डॉक्टर अशोक चोपड़ा का है. ये स्टूडियो एस्थेटिक जिसकी वजह से मैं आज आपके सामने खड़ी हूँ, ये डॉक्टर अशोक चोपड़ा का सपना था, जिसे मैं अपनी थोड़ी बहुत कोशिश से आगे चलाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ और उनके नक्शे कदम पर चलने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. थैंक यू वेरी मच राजू. थैंक यू फॉर रिकग्नाइजिंग दिस एफर्ट. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Raju sir, for making me realize what a talented family I have. Everybody got an award here. I'm very excited. So thank you, Lions Club, and thank you everybody for your patience. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And
fortunately, one more Chopra has missed it today because she's in Dubai. Otherwise, even Pari was supposed to be here. Yeah, even she was getting for Chulbuli award.
Great job, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause, please, for Daisy Shah. Congratulations, Daisy. Of course, we saw her on the ramp. We've seen her act in the films. But all I can say is that she's a fantabulous choreographer, too. Could I also ask Disha Manwani to come on stage, please? Well done, Disha. And there she goes. The award to Daisy Shah. Daisy, next time as a choreographer, you could definitely go on and teach a few steps to Pi and have a new dance step all together. Thank you so much, Daisy. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Disha. Monali Tagore. Manali. Lakshmi has done well. आपके ऊपर सरस्वती का आशीर्वाद है. लक्ष्मी आती रहे बस. And serial भी बेहतरीन चलता रहे. That's all we can say. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Lions' favorite actor at this point of time. Thank you so much, Manali. Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have a round of applause? This is an amazing moment where people from the world of television, films, medicine, bravery and बहुत अलग-अलग क्षेत्रों से लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं. इन्होंने हम सब की जिंदगी में टेलीविजन के जरिए, एंटरटेनमेंट के जरिए या किसी न किसी जरिए बहुत बदलाव किए हैं. And these are people who the audience loves, and that's the reason why we are here. Congratulations, Shafaq. Thank you very much. Congratulations. That's awesome. That's brilliant. Pallavi, all good. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
All right. So for all the people watching on, on the television sets and all that, इतना चिल्ला चोट हो कैसे जाता है? मतलब कैसे कहाँ से इंस्पिरेशन आती है?
I guess it's from daily life, but yeah, it takes away a lot of energy and a lot of your vocal cords.
मतलब उसके बाद तो ऐसी हालत हो जाती होगी, मतलब ये शूट खत्म करने के बाद ऑटो रोकने के लिए रुक जाओ, उनके ऊपर भी चिल्ला चोट. So great, but thank you so much for all those people जो कहते हैं कि यार सास बहू सीरियल्स और ये और वो. Very frankly, जो समाज से मिलता है वही टेलीविजन दिखाता है. So very frankly, it's a vice versa. It's a vicious circle. Congratulations to you. It's a vicious circle because कहते हैं ना, we take from the society and we give back to the society. लोग कहते हैं कि हमारी असली जिंदगी के अंदर वही सब होता है जो सीरियल में दिखाया जाता है. Very frankly, congratulations, Nidhi. In fact, one of the most popular shows on Indian television, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Nidhi, what class are you? Ninth. All good? School mein, for what about the same question to you? Anything changed for you? Life तुम्हारे लिए थोड़ी सी change हुई? School?
Not really.
Class में ऐसा नहीं होता you आती है तारक मेहता में. Come on, कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ती हो? Anyway, congratulations. Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you very much. And happy award, please.
हमारे बाप नवीन का नाम पुरुषपुर है ना पिताश्री, किंतु आप और मैं राजा और युवराज अपने पुरुषोत्तम का ये अपमान लेकर गांधार लौटेंगे तो
Congratulations.
क्या कहेंगे वो आपके नागरिक पुष्प?
भाई मैं तो कह रहा हूँ आपने तो कमाल कर ही दिया है. आप तो जो बोल रहे टीवी पे, लेकिन एक बार शकुनी स्टाइल हो जाए वैसे ही जिस अंदाज में सब आपको पहचानने लगे आप.
मेरे बच्चों, जो धर्म के रास्ते पर चलते हैं उनके साथ बहुत अधर्म किया जा सकता है. Thank you. I feel honored. Thank you, Lions School Awards. Thank you, all you wonderful people. Thank you very much. I'll keep on working hard and try to entertain you in the future also.
And there comes Ms. Shriya Dinakar, Lions Best Youngest Woman Achiever. Congratulations, Shriya. Thank you so much, Shriya. Thank you, Suman. And of course, Michelle Patil Sahib ko, we want to give him the best mustache award at this point of time. Karak! The singer, and then people on the prompter, it wasn't Galian. Congratulations, what a wonderful song, and may you have a great year ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, slight music to be playing with us on the audio whenever you get a chance, please. Thank you so much. I'm sure school, everybody at school must have changed. ना अभी तक के तो school में सब अलग ही हो गया होगा life में. You're still doing your homework at time, no?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I give my exams.
Huh. But that's true. Get some great grades. You're doing great on television. Do great in school too. Ladies and gentlemen, Roshni, please give it up for her. course, फैजल कैसे कर जाते हो तुमसे मिलने के लिए कोई यहाँ पर आया है, मैं खास इंसान को यहाँ पर बुलाना चाहूंगा. Can I have the most beautiful, gorgeous Ashka Goradia on stage? Here we go. मैं तो जब कोशिश करी इस किस्म से डांस करने, लोगों ने बोले इसको दौरे पड़े मेरे की, इसको भगाओ यहाँ से. Anyway, well, Ashka, that you are here, and now that you've already come on stage, I'd like you to stay there because you're also the winner of Lions' favorite negative role female historical Ashka Goradia for Maharana Pratap. Congratulations, Ashka and Faisal. May Maharana Pratap do great. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's awesome. Lions' favorite Of course, what a wonderful filmmaker you are, ma'am. First of all, Happy New Year.
Happy Diwali, New Year. हम 24th October को celebrate कर चुके हैं.
And now, of course, well, it's gonna be Big Boss, huh? How's that gonna be? By the way, let me tell you, if there could be anybody, there's no comparisons here, but if there could be anybody who could host this show, it could be only you. Farah Khan, the new host for a Big Boss. क्या करवाने क्या वाले मैम आप वहाँ पर?
जो कर रहे हैं वो अपने आप से कर रहे हैं, देखा होगा जूते चप्पलें पड़ रही हैं कल से.
आपने रिक्वेस्ट करी थी कुछ मुक्के उक्के चले, सही में चल गए उधर?
सच्ची चल गए यार. नहीं, अभी जाके ठीक करूंगी उनको सैटरडे को.
That's wonderful. Farah, congratulations for the award. Something for the Lions Club?
I think I want to thank the Lions Club as always. हम बहुत सारे अवार्ड फंक्शन में जाते हैं, लेकिन जितना प्यार और जितनी फैमिली फीलिंग से लायंस क्लब हमें सम्मानित करता है, आई थिंक that is something very different. So thank you for being, it's like coming and getting an award at a family function for us. And like Abhishek said, he was a daisy flower on Bhaidas Hall. I think मेरे डांस करियर की शुरुआत भी भाईदास के मंच से हुई थी, where we used to dance for Mitibai College के annual days. So it's so good that we come back to this stage and we are awarded. And thank you for saying favorite director and popular genre, because it is very important to be popular, I think. So I'm happy.